friends, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show, like you seen in thumbnail, okay, smartphone capture photo editing tutorial. First of all, you have to select your model image. Make sure your whole model is standing or sitting position, okay. Make sure your whole body is present in the model image, okay. Now what you have to do is you have to simply go to effects and you have to make this image, okay, blur, okay. Make your model image blur. Go to blur option and decrease the blur to around 4 like this, okay. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to go to tools, go to crop and make this image to the portrait, okay, portrait image. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is again go to tools, go to crop and crop a little bit. After the portrait you have to crop a little bit and like this, okay. No need, you have to decrease a little bit on top, okay. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to add your png, okay. I only created this png. Go to add photo and you have to select this hand phone camera png. Now simply zoom in a little bit like this, okay. Arrange it perfectly in the center, okay, like this. You have to arrange in the center, perfect, okay. Afterwards you can crop on the every side. Now we have to tap on this png, go to adjust and you can see the background is somewhat darker, so according to the picture color you have to adjust the image. So I am going to give a little temperature because it should look like a natural. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to add the same model image which you use on the background. Go to add photo and select the same image. This is the image I use on the background, okay. You have to adjust it perfectly in this phone position. Now decrease opacity so you can find where you are perfectly arranging our model image, okay. I am going to arrange perfectly in this small portion. It is somewhat difficult but we can do it, no problem. Arrange like this, okay. Decrease a little opacity so you can find adjust, okay. Now adjust like this, okay. Decrease a little bit, adjust like this. Now tap on this and by using this eraser, now tap on this and increase the eraser. Now simply erase on the sides, okay. You have to erase on the sides like this. Finally you erase on the both sides. Now tap on tick and you have to increase the opacity. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can see we finally did the editing. Now tap on tick. Now I have to do some adjustments. Go to effects. In this effects you have to go to effects and you have to search for the lomo and you have to make the back side of the image a little darker so you can focus pop out on the main camera photo image. Now go to lomo and decrease the amount, keep the vignette like this and fade like this. Now by using this eraser, tap on this and increase the hardness. Now simply erase everything on the image, okay. Now by using this eraser you can erase on the hand and every portion like this. Again by using the brush you have to fill these unwanted portions also, friends. It is a little complicated editing, so you have to do with concentration, okay. Erase everything like this, friends. Finally it is done. Now tap on tick. Friends, our special concept photo editing is ready. Now go to tools, go to crop and crop on the both sides a little bit so you can, it will be perfect for the photo to look, okay. Now tap on tick. Finally it is ready. Now go to draw, Tap on these three dots and save this image and have fun. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.